Hey everybody, it's Jay here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about one of my favorite authors who is been with us for about, I guess, 2 years or more than 2 years now. And what I will try to explain to you is the context of the book and why book was important to our author, and what he expected out of advertising and what we delivered, right? And so this book has many authors, but then David and Leslie came to us, I think, 2.5 years ago, and they are with us since. An amazing clients, and when they came to us, they were doing advertising on their own, right? And the idea of this book at that time was that it should be, because it has all the good things, reviews 500 plus, great cover and great title. So it was a profitable business from a other book, from a royalties and spend perspective. And they were doing advertising on their own, but then they wanted the profit to go up. Usually we don't take books that has a profit element to it, because we are very careful. There are just few scenarios where that profitability is possible. In this case it was possible, and we said yes to that. And we looked into his ad accounts and for about 2 days, and then we kind of came up with our suggestion. And at that point of time, David was running mainly auto ads and they were working. And what we told him that is that that's fine, we can keep the auto ads running. Probably we create a few variations of auto ads. However, there are a lot of campaigns types that he was missing in his account, and they could be a sort of a potential of increasing the order size and increase the chances of being profitable. He liked that idea a lot. And then we created a few variations of auto ads, and then few variations of category keywords and product targeting campaigns, all low bid, right? Because our objective was being profitable, we wanted to focus more on the low bids than the high bids. The auto ads were running at sort of a moderate high bids, and we let that run. But alongside that, we created a lot of low bid campaigns to create a cushion for those auto ads, because in his case, historically, some of those auto ads would just stop delivering. And during that time, the profitability would get impacted to a great extent. So my first job is to secure that, if auto ads stop delivering, we have some cushion. The order size could fall down, but not the profit, right? And it worked really well on his book. It has given more exposure on Amazon, and not only his advertising orders increased, but his organic sale is also increasing on a regular basis, and he is more profitable than what he was initially. I think initially, if he was spending $1, he was getting a sort of a 1.3 or 1.4 as a royalty. But currently it's about 1.6 to 1.9. It's just doing in those numbers, but still better profitability than he had previously before working with us. And this is what he has to say working with us.
Hi, my name is David Ronka. I'm the co-author of a best-selling book on Amazon, and my team and I have been working with Jai for the past several months on our Amazon ads. This is something that I was doing in-house with my team, and it took a lot of time to learn, to figure out how to do it, and a lot of time to just do it on an ongoing basis. So we came across Jai and had an initial conversation with him, which really was the first introduction to Jai and his great skill set, which isn't just a technical skill set. He is really a partner and a consultant. So in that first meeting, Jai asked a series of questions that were strategic questions, not tactical questions. And that was really important to me. He helped us take a step back and look at our goals. What are our goals for our campaign? And that was super important because up until that point, our efforts on optimizing our ads had really been kind of haphazard, and we had haphazard results. So, with Jai's help, we're able every month to have a conversation about what our goals are for that month. So, for example, some months it might be to maximize our profit, our return on investment. And Jai knows how to tweak the ads to do that. Other months it might be to increase sales so that we can get an influx of people into our email list. We have a lead magnet in our book. And Jai is able to manage the campaigns to those goals. We we have remained on best-selling lists since we've been working with Jai, and that's been really positive. And I would say, in addition to his technical skills and all the things that he helps us do with ads, just as a partner, he asks questions, he listens, he's communicative, and so I don't see him as a subcontractor, as a vendor. I really do see him as a partner in this work, and I would recommend him to anybody who wants to take their book through advertising and bring it to a next level.
I hope you like this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the all the future videos. And if you are currently struggling with, I would love to meet you. Although I have very few slots available, but I've put my calendar link in the description. Do check out if there are slots. If yes, we can quickly maybe a small tweak that I could suggest can make a huge difference. I love meeting new authors. I love looking at new books and ads account. This is my full time thing. So I love what I do. So if you're stuck, do check out my calendar link and we can quickly meet over a Zoom call. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.